So inbox failed to find mail inbox dot test. Maybe the name will be have differ. I will check that mail. Here I noticed that it has the issue with the cap. I put earlier small and I put the slash as like this. So that's why I changed to backward slash and I changed the small I to cap sign. Now we'll try to run from here again and we'll see whether it's moving to the respective folder or not. So just click on that and it has a move one mail which is from here. You can see this one test. So when I run the next time, it will move another folder. I mean another file. Let me click on this message box. Now it has been moved to the second mail. Just go and check the backend whether it's moved. Yeah, two mails are moved. So like this, it will move all the file. I mean all the files from the specific one folder to another folder. And similar way, we can do the delete. Everything are available. So you can try from your side. If you go inside, you can see this delete email, mark as unread, and move email to specific folders. So these are activities are available. Process email message in Outlook. Okay, now next save Outlook email. So just drag and drop this activity in the for loop itself, and you can go inside save mails. So where you want to save, I want to save that files as of now into the my desktop, and I will put Python. So here I put one more folder which we called mails. Okay, and I selected this particular folder and account. Again, my account is the same account, and mails to save. I will just pass this my Outlook current item Outlook. Okay, and you can see this downside. You can see the format. Basically, you have text only, output template, MSG, HTML, MHT. So right now, I need only in the format of MSG file. If you want, you can change the rest of things as per you. And just click on that save. Now I will run again one more time. Till here, just run from it again. And now one by one the mails will be saved to the particular location. So let's go back to that and YT mails. You can see this job application. So the mail has been saved. So like that, all mails you can store it one by one. So for that, we are using this Outlook email messages. And after this, next one respond to the Outlook message. So for example, one more, this is done. Send email through Outlook, process email, save Outlook. Okay, respond Outlook to message. So we'll drag and drop this as well. So it's saying account again. This is my same account and Outlook is current. Reply. So reply all or reply everything. Anything you can say that. So right now I will use this reply only. And this is my account and mail message. So by defaultly it will take that mail messages. Just save it. And here I will put some body inside. Reply from take start. Thank you. So I put this message. If not, you can add that attachment. Right now we did one attachment, no? So we can see add that attachment. So we put it attachment here mails. I will add this attachment. Okay. Now let me run it again from here. And let's keep on. So it replied on that. First we'll see whether it replied to or not. So we'll go to the inbox and let wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, the mail has been sent from our thing and we need to see whether it received or not. Let me click on send or all folders. It has some attachment, so that's why it takes some time. So basically, yeah, you can see this, it has attached everything. For example, if you have any job mails, I want to send that like kind of invitations for that, you can use this. Okay, and these are the things which is available here and closes. So this is when you're working with Outlook, when you're working this kind of Outlook, that Outlook mandatory should be installed in your local machine, then only we can able to do. But most of the things in real time, we cannot use these kind of activities. We can go for the only Outlook Office 365. So what it will do, it will just connect it from the backend cloud side and you can retrieve all the files and whatever the activities which we did now. So this and all we did from the backend side with the help of API things. So This is a way for difference of this one. Next tutorial we'll go and explore Office 365 Outlook. Still, if you have any doubts on this Outlook, so post your comments on the comment section. I will try to help on it. And finally, thanks for watching.